Today, we're unboxing and testing the BAFUWEIY Smart Door Lock, a keyless entry system that promises convenience and security. This lock offers multiple access methods, including fingerprint, Bluetooth app control, and password, ensuring a personalized and flexible user experience. The design is sleek and modern, with a nickel finish that adds a touch of elegance to any door. Upon unboxing, the lock's build quality is impressive, with a sturdy feel and a well-designed interface. The installation process is straightforward and can be done by following the included manual. One of the standout features is the auto lock function, which provides an added layer of security by automatically locking the door after a specified time period, ensuring you never have to worry about an unlocked door. The one-time code feature is also a great addition, allowing you to generate temporary access codes for guests or service providers, maintaining control over who has access to your home. The fingerprint recognition is incredibly accurate and fast, providing a seamless entry experience. The Bluetooth app control is also user-friendly, allowing you to lock and unlock the door remotely and even monitor access history. The password option is a great backup, ensuring you always have a way to access your home, even without your phone or fingerprints. In terms of performance, the BAFUWEIY Smart Door Lock excels. The fingerprint sensor is highly responsive, and the app connectivity is stable. The lock's mechanism is smooth and reliable, providing a secure and satisfying click when locking and unlocking. Overall, the BAFUWEIY Smart Door Lock is an excellent choice for those seeking a convenient and secure keyless entry system. With its multiple access methods, auto lock feature, and durable build, it offers a reliable and modern solution for home security.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.